Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install APK file on your Android phone. So let's get started. So very first thing is we need to make sure that the phone can trust these APK, which are usually untrusted applications. So first thing you're going to do is go into your setting, and then from there on, we're going to go to security and privacy. And under security and privacy, you're going to look for a more security setting or a setting that specifically looks to install unknown applications. So we're going to tap on that. And when we tap on that, we need to allow first to download before getting install from whatever, maybe the browser here. For example, I'm going to use Chrome to download, or any of other applications that you would download the APK from. So you got to turn that on. Sometime maybe Epic Games or something like that. So I have this turned on. Now after that, I turn it off, and then you would go to like Chrome or somewhere to download your file, the APK file, whatever website you have. So I already have one downloaded, which when you download it, you're going to look for the My Files app on your phone to see where it is in the Files app. Here, as you can see here, I have one right here that I downloaded. And as you can see here, right now it isn't allowed to install unknown from it. You can change the settings. So you need to go ahead and change it one more time and then the My Files. So we're going to change it on My Files as well. So if you remember, when we changed it before to the settings, when I was showing you, right, sometimes you may need to also turn on My Files along with the Chrome that you're downloading from. So these two ones. So that way, when you actually go to now install it, as you can see, if you're going to install, I can click on install, and now I'm able to actually install it with those two settings on. So it's really important that basically you allow the setting to turn on and then download it to the Files app, and then you open it up, and as you can see here, now you can go ahead and start playing this game that I downloaded, or whatever APK application that you're looking to install on your device. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.